Yes, let us continue the lesson. We are in the factorization method of solving quadratic equations. Yes, you already learned there are four methods. One is factorization, another one is by using completing square method. Next is Sridharacharya's formula. Last one is graphical method. Next question is like this: solve 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0 by factorization method. Same question they can give like this. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Either solve and ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ or find the roots ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Yes, solve ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, find the roots ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. You have to find the value of this variable. First of all, see, it is not a linear equation. If it is linear equation, you can go for transformation method. It is a quadratic equation. Degree of the equation is 2, that's why it is quadratic equation. Now, in quadratic equation there are two kinds, either it is pure or it may be adfacted. It is not pure quadratic equation because both degree 2 and degree 1 are there. That's why it is adfacted quadratic equation. That's why you have to go for any one of the methods of factorization or completing square or formula or graphical method. Method alle mention problem alle mention ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ solve by factorization. That's why you have to go for factorization method. Okay, solution. Write the question first of all. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. This is the question. Which method you will choose in factorization? In factorization again 4 methods are there. What are those 4 methods? Taking common factor, grouping, using the identity a square minus b square, or splitting the middle term. See, it is a trinomial. Splitting the middle term is easy. Or taking common factor not possible, x illide x illa. Common factor x illide illu illa. Sorry, illide illa. Grouping these two we can group. For this there is no group. Then third one, what is that? Using the identity a square minus b square. That is only for binomial. It is not a binomial. There, that means you have to go for splitting the middle term. ನೋಡಿದಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು trinomial splitting the middle term ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ. Yes, sum must be. Yes, what is there in the middle? Minus 5. First of all, it should be in standard form. Again and again I'm telling, the question must be in standard form. If you want to use factorization or formula or completing square method, it must be in standard form. Yes, first of all, ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ standard form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. Yes, standard form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Sum should be minus 5. Product must be very important now. With x square quotient is there, 2 is there. That's why product should be 2 into 3. That is plus 6. Now you have to choose the multipliers. Sum should be 5. Product should be 6. What are the multipliers? Yes, I think in 3 and 2, answer is there because 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 into 2 is 6. But sum is minus, sign of sum is minus, that's why bigger number sign should be minus. In these two, bigger number is 3, that's why this should be minus. If it is minus, if it is plus, minus into plus becomes minus, but it should be plus 6, that's why this must be minus 2. Therefore, what are the multipliers? Minus 3 and minus 2. You can verify. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus into minus is plus. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now, split the middle term. 2x square minus 5x can be written as minus 3x minus 2x. Once you verify, minus 3x minus 2x is minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Now, one more thing. Don't guess the answers. One is 3, another is 2. If you guess like that, it is wrong. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ -3 ಇದ್ರೆ +3 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, -2 ಇದ್ರೆ +2 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಆ ತರ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? with x square coefficient is there. That's why you will not get those kind of answers. You cannot guess the answers now. Okay, go for the method. Now next one you have to group in plus and minus. You have to take plus outside. As it is remains. As it is means 2x square minus 3x remains. Then it is minus and plus, you have to take plus outside, as it is remains, as it is means minus 2x plus 3 equals 0. Now see, in these two, we can take x common. If you take x common, 2x remains, minus 3 remains in this 3x. Then plus, in these two, I think we can take, in 2 and 3 there is no common. Common ತೆಗಿಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ones, it is 3 ones. We have to take 1 common. That time minus 2x plus 3 remains equals 0. See, here it is 2x minus 3. but here it is minus 2x plus 3. ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, it is x into 2x minus 3. This plus becomes minus. Now minus 2x becomes plus 2x, plus 3 becomes minus 3 equals 0. Now here is also 2x minus 3, here is also 2x minus 3. You can take 2x minus 3 outside. In this x remains, in this one minus 1 remains, equals 0. Now it is just like a into b equals 0. A into b equals 0 means either a must be equal to 0 or b must be equal to 0. That means 2x minus 3 must be equal to 0 or x minus 1 must be equal to 0. Now what is your intention? Solve. That means you have to find the value of x. X in a value find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ minus 3 first ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. You cannot transfer 2 to the right side first. It is second wife, this is first wife. But give dividends for second wife first. That's why transfer this minus 3 to that side. It becomes 0 plus 3. Directly I will write it is 0 plus 3 is 3. Now you need to find the value of x. Transfer 2 to right side. X is equal to 3 by 2. Yes, we got one of the root, that is 3 by 2. Another root is so simple. Transfer this minus 1 to that side. It is x is equal to 0 plus 1. What is 0 plus 1? X equals 1. Therefore, what are the roots of this quadratic equation? One is 3 by 2. Another one is 1. Don't expect always integers as answers. Here, fraction is also there. Therefore, you can verify. ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ verify ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. In the place of x, put 3 by 2 and simplify. You will get 0 equals 0. Hope there is no doubt in this problem. And one more thing. See, minus 3 and minus 2 are the multipliers. Plus 3 and plus 2 are not the roots. Our roots ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಡಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ x ಬಾರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. Okay. Let us go for the next question. Yes, the next problem is like this. Factorize 3x square, solve 3x square, 3x square minus 2 root 6x minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equals 0. Yes, this is the question. By factorization method. See, if method is not mentioned, your method is mentioned. If it is not mentioned, formula method is so easy. You have to go for Sridharacharya's formula. Now, that formula method not over still. That's why you have to go for factorization method. First of all, you have to see whether it is in standard form or not. Yes, it is in standard form. It is not a pure one. It is affected. Go for factorization method. Okay, solution. Okay, solution. Right. In standard form, yes, it is already in standard form. 3x square minus 2 root 6x, x is outside the root, plus 2 equals 0. Yes, this is the question. Now, what should be the sum? Yes, sum should be minus 2 root 6. And product should be, yes, you have to multiply these two, 3 2s are 6. Yes, product is 6. Now you have to choose the multipliers. Very interesting. ಈಗ ಗುಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಕೂಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 2 root 6 ಬರಬೇಕು. How to choose the multipliers? 6 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ either 1 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, but 1 and 6 ನ ಕೂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. 2 3 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 and 3 ಕೂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. Yes, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Yes, 6 ಅನ್ನ you can observe root 6 into root 6 ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Yes, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Because root 6 into root 6 is root 6 square. Order to cover to cancel 6 comes. Is it right? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ root 6 into root 6 means 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I think ಇದನ್ನ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. root 6 means actually it is 1 root 6. root 6 means it is 1 root 6. Now see, 1 root 6 plus 1 root 6 means orders are same, radicals are also same. We can add or we can subtract. 1 root 2, 1 root 6, 1 root 6 means 2 root 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But sum is minus, therefore bigger number should be minus. Here both are bigger only because ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದೇನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Once you verify minus 1 root 6 minus 1 root 6 add ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ minus 2 root 6. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. root 6 into root 6 means root 36 only. ಅಥವಾ root 6 square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Order to go to answer, that is 6 only. Yes, we got the multipliers. ಈ ತರ multipliers choose ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now 3x square minus 2 root 6x ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? 1 root 6x minus 1 root 6x plus 2 equals 0. Now you have to go for grouping. These two you can group, these two you can group. Now plus and minus is there, take plus outside, as it is remains 3x square minus 1 root 6x remains. Minus and plus is there, take minus plus outside, you have to take minus only when both are minus. Now minus and plus is there, you have to take plus outside, as it is means minus 1 root 6 plus 2 remains equals 0. Now you should be careful. See, in these two what is common? In 3 and root 6 is there any common? For naked eyes, you can't tell a common, but actually common is there. See, 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Is it right? Yes. Root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2. That's why root 3 is common in both. Is it right? Idrallo root 3 there, idrallo root 3 there. Then in these two, x is common. That's why you can take root 3x outside. If you take root 3x outside, here what remains? Root 3 already taken. X from the x ತೆಗೆದರೆ ಆಗ ಒಂದು root 3 ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು x ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. Minus here root 3 already we have taken outside. Remaining is 1 into root 2 into x. 1 into root 2 means root 2 x. Sorry, root 2 x already we have taken outside. Therefore remaining is 1 into root 2, that is root 2 only. Next plus is the right plus. In these two, yes, again for naked eyes there is no common. Actually common is there because this root 6 can be written as root 6 ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, root 3 into root 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Now in these two, what is common? Root 2 is common. Now you have to take root 2 common. That time what remains? Minus 1 into root 3 means minus root 3. Then sorry, x is the right at x is the right at x remains. Plus in root 2 into root 2, you have taken root 2 outside, what remains? Root 2 remains equals 0. Now see, here root 3x minus root 2 is there, but here minus root 3x plus root 2 is there. That you can say, it is not a difficult task. First time illa, all each step gottagodu important. That's why this step is very very important. Once you ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Now which one root 3x into root 3x minus root 2 plus becomes minus. That time you have to change the sign. Minus becomes plus root 3x. This plus becomes minus equals 0. Now you can say root 3x minus root 2. Here also root 3x minus root 2. Which one you take common? Root 3x minus root 2 you have to take common. Yeah, root 3x minus root 2 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? root 3x ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಿಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? minus root 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. equals ಆ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 0. Now we have to use zero product rule. It is just like a into b equals 0. That means either a must be equal to 0 or b must be equal to 0. That is root 3x minus root 2 equals 0 or root 3x minus root 2 equals 0. Yes, I have to find the value of x. That's why transfer this root 2 to that side. That becomes root 3x equals 0 plus root 2. That is root 3x equals 0 plus 4 is 4 only. 0 plus 5 is 5 only. 0 plus root 2 is root 2 only. Now x answer I have to find. Transfer root 3 to that side. That is x is equal to root 2 by root 3. That's what is the answer of x? root 2 by root 3. ಇದೆರಡು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ರೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ root of 2 by 3 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. root 2 by root 3 is also enough. Same, find another value of x. Now transfer this minus root 2 to that side. That is root 3x is equal to 0 plus root 2. That is root 3x is equal to 0 plus root 2 is root 2. X is equal to again root 2 divided by root 3. Therefore, what are the roots of this quadratic equation? One is root 2 by root 3. Another one is also root 2 by root 3. You can observe it is a quadratic equation, but also it has only one root. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ quadratic equation ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ? ಒಂದೇ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? A quadratic equation has at most two roots. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎರಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎರಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ರೂಟೇ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೋಪ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Okay, let us go for the next question. Question number third one. Before going for the next problem, I will explain one small note. That note is very important. It is even given in your notes also. Notes are ನೋಡಿ. Question is like this: solve x square plus 4x plus question is x square plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Solve x square plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. This is the given question. Now I will solve this problem. Yes, better you can go for factorization method. Yes, I will go for factorization method. Sum should be plus 4. Product should be plus 4. The multipliers are plus 2 and plus 2. Now you can guess directly. Roots ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Because quotient of x square 1 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ plus 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ minus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? minus 2 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes, x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now in these two you have to group x square plus 2x plus these two you have to group, that is 2x plus 4 equals 0. Now in these two you can take x common, x plus 2 remains. In these two you can take 2 common, x plus 2 remains. Now x plus 2 you can take x plus 2 common. Here x remains, here plus 2 remains equals 0. It is just like a into b equals 0. That means x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. X is equal to 2 ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus 2. X is equal to 2 ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus 2. See here, ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? Roots are minus 2 and minus 2. Now, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I will take the same question. Say question is x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now I will do multiplication of 2 for both LHS and RHS. ಅಂದ್ರೆ LHS ಗೂ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, RHS ಗೂ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Let's see what happens. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes, that is 2 into x square plus 4x plus 4 equals, for RHS also multiply with 2. Now this one becomes 2 into x square is 2x square plus 2 into 4 is 8x plus 2 4s are 8. 0 into 2 is 0. Now solve this problem. ಇದನ್ನ solve ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೇಗೆ solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Sum should be plus 8. Product should be, yes, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 8s are 16. I think the multipliers are plus 4 and plus 4 because 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 4s are 16. Solve this one. 2x square plus 4x plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. In these two you can group 2x square plus 4x. Similarly these two you can group plus 4x plus 8 equals 0. Yes, in these two you can take 2x common, x plus 2 remains, and in these two you can take 4 common, x plus 2 remains equals 0. Now here also x plus 2, there also x plus 2. Take x plus 2 common. In this 2x remains, here plus 4 remains equals 0. It is just like a into b equals 0. That means either x plus 2 equals 0 or 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Yes, transfer 2 to right side. X is equal to minus 2. One root is minus 2. Now transfer this 4 to right side. That is 2x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 2. That is x is equal to minus 5 plus is minus 2 1s are 2 2s are. That's why another root is also minus. Observe here. ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ -2 and -2 ಬಂತು. LHS RHS ಗೆ ನಾನು 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಟ್ ಬರ್ಸಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. If you multiply or divide or add or subtract LHS and RHS with the same number, meaning of the equation does not change. ಇದರ meaning ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? equation meaning ಅದೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Yes, this is given in note. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ನೋಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, let's go for the next question. Question is like this: solve 0.2 into x 0.2x square minus 0.04x equals 0.03. Yes, this is the question. 0.2x square minus 0.04x equals 0.03. Yes, it is not in standard form. First of all, write in standard form. In standard form, 0.2x square minus 0.04x. If it comes for left side, it becomes minus 0.03 equals 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. Okay, you can use a factorization method. But see here, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sum should be minus 0.04, product should be product of these two. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಸ್. if you multiply with 10 what happens? point shift to this side. okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ 0.4x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ if you multiply with 10 you already studied point shift to one place, right, but it is not useful. therefore multiply this one with 100. 100 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. okay, that is possible. yes, LHS 100 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ RHS ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 100 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. yes, the first step is multiply LHS and RHS by 100. You have to multiply LHS and RHS with 100. That is 0.2x square minus 0.04x minus 0.03. For this one multiply with 100 equals, for 0 also multiply with 100. Now 0.2 into 100, it is such that this one also multiply with 100, this one also multiply with 100, this one also multiply with 100. yes, point 0.2 into 100 means, see 10 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 100 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನು 0 ಹಾಕಂತೀರಾ, that becomes 20. ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0.2 ನ 100 ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, you will get 20x square minus if you multiply this one with 100, this point ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that means it becomes 4x minus here also same point comes to this side, after 3, that's why this becomes 3 equals 0 into 100 is 0 only. now ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದೇ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದೇ. it is again a quadratic equation. you have to go for splitting the middle term, easy you will get the solution. let's solve this problem. sum should be minus 4, product should be product of these two, that is minus 60. yes, 23 is 60 plus into minus is minus. now you have to choose a multipliers such that sum should be minus 4 and product should be minus 60. yes, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾವುದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. yes, it is 2 30s, it is 2 15s, this one is 3 5s. now like this you think 5 3s are 15, 2 2s are 4, that is 15 4s are 60, 15 4s are 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. but 15 and 4 adjust ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರಲ್ಲ. that's why this grouping is not possible. then like this you think 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. see 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6. that is 10 into 6. yes sir, 10 and 6 is it possible? you have to check 10 and 6. 10 6 are 60, 10 and 6 if you adjust means you will get 4. okay, it is possible. some sign is minus, bigger number sign should be minus. ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that's why this should be plus. now write this one by splitting the middle term, that is 20x square minus 10x plus 6x minus 3 equals 0. now as usual go for grouping. plus and minus is there, but to take plus outside, it is 20x square minus 10x, plus and minus is there, take plus outside, that is as it is remains, that is 6x minus 3 equals 0. now in these two what is common? it is 10 2s, it is 10 1s. you can take 10 common as well as x also you can take common, that is 10 2s, 10 already you have taken outside, that's why 2 remains, x already taken outside, x square minus x into x, 1x you have taken outside, 1x remains inside, minus 10x already you have taken outside, nothing is here, 1 remains. actually it is 10x into 1 or 10 into 1, 10 you have taken outside, 1 remains. then in these two we can take 3 common, that time 2x minus 1 remains equals 0. see here also 2x minus 1, here also 2x minus 1. now you have to take 2x minus 1 outside, what remains? 10x plus 3 remains equals 0. now you have to go for zero product rule. it is in the form a into b equals 0. that means either a must be equal to 0 or b must be equal to 0. that is 2x minus 1 equals 0 or 10x plus 3 equals 0. yes, I need the answer of x, transfer minus 1 to that side, that is 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. Next, here 10x is equal to 3, transfer 3 to right side, that is 10x is equal to 0 minus 3 means minus 3. Yes, x answer ಬೇಕು, x is equal to minus 3. Yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ into ಇದೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ divided by. That's why x answer, one is 1 by 2, another answer is minus 3 by 10. Again see, this is a quadratic equation. We are getting how many solutions? 2 solutions. That means a quadratic equation has at most how many zeros? 2 zeros. 2, sorry, not zeros, ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, let us go for one more complicated question, very important also. Next question is like this. Solve square root of 24 minus 10x equals 3 minus 4x. This is the question. 3 minus 4x. Yes, question is solve square root of 24 minus 10x equals 3 minus 4x. See, direct ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Directly we cannot tell because it is not in simplest form. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ರೂಟ್ ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೂಟ್? ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ತೆಗಿತೀರಾ? ರೂಟ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ 2 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಎಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆನ್